morning! Uwi na kami. Today is Sunday. So, we're going home. Good morning!
Good morning!
Good morning, kids! Send hello! Yay! We're going to send hello!
We're going to Antelope Island first.
Yes. Punta muna kami sa Antelope Island. Sana may makita tayong bisons. Tingnan mo sana nagmumuni-muni. Hi, ate. Good morning.
Hi.
Union Pacific. Farm Green.
We're here!
We're here.
Antelope Island! Bison may be dangerous. Ooh, may bison!
There are a lot of gnats.
They should be pretty much gone. There might still be a few, but for the most. So typically April through mid-June.
Yung para siyang mga bulls na may hair. Hairy bulls.
Bulls.
It's a hairy bulls.
Bison.
No spilling challenge.
While driving.
No. Charap. Anong ginawa mo? Transfer mo lang?
To have ice.
Oh. Flamingo Bay. Ang haba pala nito. Yan na yung buong island. Antelope Island. From here hanggang dun.
This is one long map. Mama, Papa, this is one long map. That's a boat. Yeah, that is show it.
Yay! We're in Antelope. Hi, Bryson. Ito si Bryson.
Hi, Bryson. Nice to meet you.
Oh, paras pa kayo ng damit. Nice to meet you. Hey, your brother.
Nice to meet you. And maybe the tallest person.
Where's the map, Ate? I have the map.
Where's the map? Where's the map? Where's the map?
Back.
Dora, where's the map? Where's the map? Wala na si Dora. Baka nasa backpack mo, Dora. Hala, wala nang map. Ayan, nasa tabi mo yung map. Duh. Ito talaga si swiper, no? Swiping niya. Someone is sleeping. Bryce! Tulog na si Bryce.
Gracie, look.
Ganda ng weather.
Sorry, Bryce. Is it nice, Bryce?
Ang daming birds.
I think they put on that light.
Yeah. Oh, it's cold here. Amoy Vicks.
That's why it's so dim, so you can see the sky.
So yeah, we're here sa visitor center ng Antelope Island.
Yeah.
It's a mini tower.
Look at their house.
Ew, poop.
Look at their. Look up there.
Ang daming birds.
There's a lot of white.
Bison! Bryce! That's a bison right there. There! Bighorn. Read it.
You can
Please?
see nearly 360
Okay,
degrees.
can you read? Bryce, Bryce, can you read? Please do not touch or else palo.
They used to have a tank of this.
He saw me. He saw me.
Later, Antelope Island. See you later, Buffalo.
Bye, Antelope Island.
Bye.
Bye, Bison. Nagutom. Kaya pala nanahimik. Akala ko tulog. Gutom ka pala. Aba. Yummy. Nag-wash ba siya ng hands niya?
Ooh, it's
We're here. Salt Lake City. Parang ano lang din. Mukhang LA lang din. See? It's San Francisco. May train sila. More.
Whoa, look at the tracks.
Mas malinis kaysa sa LA, no? Diba? Walang trash everywhere, no? Gumagawa kami ng review. LA versus LA versus Salt Lake City. Si ate naman natulog talaga. Ate! Ate! Wake up!
Cool, look, it looks like a White House.
Yeah, kaya nga. Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito, no? $1 million houses.
Where do you live? Oh, the Capitol.
By the
Street.
capital. Social ng bahay. Oh, capital state. Oh, nice.
That's so cool.
Natulog sa Salt Lake City. Kanina gising na gising na. Kung kailan nandito na tayo, natulog naman. Buti pa si Bryce. Oh, hindi na miss yung mga magagandang yung mga magagandang views. Bango! Oh my gosh, smells like flowers. Ito na yun? Yeah, this is it. Baka close. Oh.
Look that big.
Oh. Maganda sa loob niyan, 'di ba? May restaurant. Under renovation yung Temple Square nila. Latter-day Saints community. Hi, Ate and Brycey. Okay, uwian na. Bye-bye, Utah.
I'm going Utah.
Bryce, nasa Utah ka na. You're still in Utah. Damdamin mo na habang nandito ka.
Sarapan na siya.
Yung sarapan, ayaw na niyang umuwi. Kanina, di ba kahapon, sabi niya, wanna go home, di ba? Wala pa tayo sa halfway umuwi na. Ngayon, ayaw na siyang umuwi.